my hit. Oh, there's 3 of them.
You good kitty, aren't you? You're just annoying. Oh, hi. No, Toby, stay back. I'm not kidding. He really is annoying. He ate the umbrella one time. Yeah, just playing. We gotta train him. Oh. Oh, Charlie. I saw. Oh. Oops, there goes my hand. Oh, there goes my hand again. What the? Okay. I just woke up. I'm really a little tired. Oh my gosh. Back! Guys, listen to him purr. Charlie, you are one passionate cat. Oh. He just like put my hand into the ocean. Let me fix the car. I know, Charlie, I know. If you come inside, if you didn't fight the other two. There goes the fur. Yeah. Ow. What's this? You don't like me, do you? No, I don't like you either. Oh my gosh, Charlie. You just follow me. Toby? I mean, he's cute, but he's just plain annoying. There goes more fur. Meow. You're an old cat. I can feel his bones. He's a really old cat. Yes, I know, Charlie. Meow. Meow. If you come inside, if you didn't fight the kitties. Oh, wow. Oh, you scared me. Oh my gosh. Right there, he opened his mouth while meowing. My arm went soaring into his mouth. That's okay, Charlie. My arm went soaring into his mouth when he was meowing. Don't. Yes. Oh. Oh. I love this kitty. Oh. It's like it's flying, I think. Oh. Meh. I'm having too much fun right here. I'm having way too much fun here. Especially while filming this. Ow! That's Charlie. This is Doofus right here. Hey, Doofus. No, seriously. Don't come near me. I warn you. I'm warning you. Like, these two fight a lot. You stay back. Sit. Good boy. Hey, Charlie. Oh, that's too bright. Oops, Charlie, don't nudge me like that. Does that feel good? Yeah. Meow. Oh my gosh. Tickled. That's Toby. No. Get back. I calmed down the phone when he just trying to lick me. I don't know, like, stay. Good boy. Aww. That's Charlie, my friends. Charlie. That's the dog. Smoking man. Okay. Sometimes when you pet him, like that, his fur goes flying in the air. Meow! Like, no. Alright, that's crazy. Was that some stuff out there? Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Oh. You almost fell off. You old kitty. I'm running. Whoa. Whoa. I'm not getting close to that thing. Whoa. Bye-bye. What should we do here? No. I have to do it with my hands. Ooh, it's on my iPad. Bang. Better wipe that off. There we go. There we go. Hang on, let me wipe this off real quick. Alright, so what should we do to knock down the rest? Ooh, I'll forget. That's how you hold it. People, that's how you hold it, okay? That's all I can say. Water. Oh! Well, that was a good one.